All right, now that we have created our first interaction with an LLM chain, now it's time to integrate variables inside of this component. To make this a little bit more useful, we want to pass some kind of variable through the prompt template to our large language model so that it's something more dynamic. In this case, we're using a prompt that says you are a business consultant and you will generate a LinkedIn post about AI. Now we want to make this AI component right here. We want to make this into a variable. In the bottom part of the prompt template, we're going to see a empty field. In here, it says the format, syntax format, how we should structure variables. So let's structure a variable and let's insert a new variable in here. So the first part of this is going to be the variable name. So in this example, we are going to give it a topic. So about AI or about whatever else we want. And after we have defined the topic, we are going to add a default value. The default value in this example is going to be generative AI. And right here, we are going to replace this for our variable. Now to do that, we are going to simply add, and inside of our template for the prompt, we are going to, in curly braces, add the topic. So this topic is going to be the variable that the user is going to submit. So you are a business consultant and you will generate a LinkedIn post about, and then whatever topic that we submit to our large language model. Let's try this and see what kind of results we can get. And let's ask it to create a LinkedIn post about sports. And maybe let's try ice skating. Let's see what it does. So here is the post about ice skating. Let's try about sport cars. And right now what is happening, this is a variable that is being plugged in inside of our prompt, inside of the topic. And in case we don't ask anything, so for example, we cannot in this case because it's going to always take some input, so something random like, hey, it is going to generate a post about hey and do its best to generate a post about that. So this is where prompt engineering would step in, where we would define the output that is generated and write a much more complex prompt. Maybe have 2 or 3 different prompts that would fine-tune the results until we get the output. And that's exactly what we are going to see in a few videos. But before that, let's create a ChatGPT clone. Thank you so much for watching.